I love your mind.
Hi, this is Alice Bull from ScrapbookWonderland.com and the ScrapHappy membership group. I'm at the Great Canadian Scrapbook Carnival in Calgary, Alberta, and I'm here with Lise from Papers and Beyond.
Hi, Elise. How are you doing?
I am so good. Now, I am told that you have an online scrapbooking kit club. Is this correct?
Totally correct. Yeah, we have like memberships every month. We have like subscriptions for pocket kits, journal and cards, and also for the regular scrapbooking 12 by 12 kits. And we offer like add-ons, papers, whatever extra you need for your projects. We also have an inspiration page in our website where you can do different things that our design team members do.
Excellent. So how many people do you have on your design team showing off your products?
Right now, because we just started, because we just opened the store this late February, we have 5 permanent members. So one is from Calgary, the other 2 are from Toronto, and the other 2 are from New Brunswick.
Excellent. You're covering all of Canada.
Totally Canadian.
And so you are a kit club for Canadians. Do you also ship to other places if people are like, I need your kit?
Oh, we ship all around the world. And we also have like flat rate shipping for both Canada and the States, and free shipping over $85 Canadian. So yeah, but whatever you need, yeah, we got it.
So can you give us, like, show us what one of your current kits, what's in the kit?
Let me. This is one of my favorites. This one was our August kit, and we call it Choose to Shine. So basically, it features Amy Tan, which I love.
One of
So
my
Shine On
favorites.
collection. I know. And so basically, the kits come from anywhere between 6 to 8. Mostly, we have 8 papers, 12 by 12s. So see, we have the Shine On collection from Amy Tan, and then we have also the crepe paper. This one was also super pretty. So we have. I love this one. So yeah, so this was like the Maggie Holmes Willow Lane collection as well, and then we have a couple of cardstock matching cardstocks for you. And then, of course, because there's never enough embellishments,
You're speaking my language.
we always have like stickers. In most of the kits, we do the letters, the thickers.
I
because you
think they're
always
an
need them.
essential. I
They're
always
I
need
know.
more thickers.
And then, well, the extras, right? Like more embellishments, and as many as you can. And if there's not enough, we also have add-ons for embellishments. So we also have, I think for this collection, we are sold out for the add-ons. Because, of course,
Because they must have been really
it was
nice.
so awesome. Right? But yeah, what we have, like, for example, let me see, where we have an add-on. This side. So we have add-ons for our collections, which come from 2 extra embellishments or stamps, because we know that we also have stampers on our, customers and subscribers. So some of them want stamps, some of them don't. So we have almost for everybody type of taste. So that's basically, and every month we pick a different collection, like the newest that is getting out. So, for example, we sold out for our September kit, which was Vicky Boutin, because she's fabulous, right? So those ones are like, I'm out.
Vicky Booten is amazing,
I know.
and her demos and her products. Oh yeah,
She's an amazing person, right? So, yeah.
and she's a Canadian treasure.
I know. So, yeah, totally Canadian.
So with your kit club, can you tell us where to find it, where people go, and any other tidbits that they should know before they sign up for a kit? Is it like a monthly subscription?
Yeah, we have monthly subscriptions, so just go papersandbeyond.ca and you sign it every month. But the cool thing about like a subscription, because sometimes I hate subscriptions, but this one you can cancel, no questions asked. But the best thing is that you can manage it yourself. You can skip months. So we always send our subscribers, the future collections a couple of days before. So if they are the style, they can get it. If it's not style, then they can just skip the month and just keep on their subscription. And we offer for the subscribers a flat rate shipping of $9.95 and a discount price for the kids. So these retail for $37.50. So for our subscribers, first month is $32.50, and then the next months are $36.50, and then you get a 10% off any add-ons. Yeah, so you just go, click subscribe, and get the inspiration going with our design team members. They do amazing things. As you can tell, like for example, this is from one of our Calgary design team members. So she makes these little mini albums. We have the link in our website for the tutorial and everything. So this one she made with a colorful day kit, and she also made almost for every kid because she loves doing these things. So yeah, so we have for everything, right? For everybody. We also have like the journaling type. So we have journaling, inspiration pocket kit pages. So
You're covering all your bases in the scrappy world. Wherever people are feeling comfortable with their scrapping, you got it.
I hope so. We're still missing the cars, and that's coming, right? Because we're slowly getting there. So hopefully we're gonna have soon like and also like a car kit or
Excellent.
and also stamps add-ons because I have had like a bunch of people asking me, oh, can you do more stamps and can you do inks and can you. So I'm like, okay, yeah, we're getting there. So hopefully, yeah.
That's good. They're that enthusiastic. That's always a good thing. And if your kits are selling out, like your September one is sold out, that must mean that people really like them.
I know we're so humble and so happy with the Canadian market because I mean everybody has been so awesome here in Canada. Yay, Canada! Yeah, and we also offer. I forgot to say because we also have like specialty kits. So for example, we have baby, wedding, and now Halloween time. So we always have like collections depending on the time of the year coming out.
That's excellent.
Yep.
Well, thank you so much,
Oh,
Lisa.
thanks so much for stopping by. It's awesome that we found you. You're also like a jewel, that get it out all these like Canadian companies, which is good.
This is Alice Bull from ScrapbookWonderland.com and the ScrapHappy membership group at the Great Canadian Scrapbook Carnival in Calgary, Alberta, with Lise from papersandbeyond.ca. Check it out for kits. So thank you for hanging out to the end of the video. So we have a special deal for you. Can you tell us, Lise?
Yeah, thanks for stopping by. So we're gonna offer all your subscribers and the people that are watching the video a 15% off their first order just for you guys. So we are gonna say Alice 15.
That's perfect.
So I'll just send you. You just can put it in the description, and they can just use it at checkout and get their 15% off.
Thank you so much. So use Alice15 at the checkout at papersandbeyond.ca.